Welcome to Top Reviews Lab. The best lettuce seeds are probably one of the most crucial components for any successful hydroponic gardening setup, directly influencing the health, growth rate, and ultimate yield of your leafy greens. Choosing the right variety can mean the difference between a thriving, abundant harvest and a disappointing, slow-growing crop. So understanding what makes a seed ideal for hydroponics is key to unlocking your system's full potential and enjoying fresh, crisp lettuce right from your home. Number 5. Buttercrunch lettuce seeds, Heirloom Non-GMO. Discover the delightful sweetness of our Buttercrunch lettuce. It's best when harvested in the cool of the morning for peak flavor. This versatile plant thrives when grown alongside onions, cucumbers, and carrots. Enjoy a harmonious garden with these compatible neighbors. Whether you prefer indoor or outdoor gardening, it adapts beautifully. Grow it to full size or harvest it as tender microgreens. It's perfectly suited for hydroponic setups, offering a fresh and efficient way to grow your own greens. Enjoy crisp lettuce with ease. You can trust the quality of these seeds. They are heirloom and non-GMO, ensuring you're planting pure, natural goodness. Planting these seeds is simple, and the reward is a delicious, sweet lettuce. It's a fantastic addition to any meal. What we like. This variety is known for its exceptionally sweet flavor, making it a delight for any salad. It's also heirloom and non-GMO, ensuring quality and the ability to save seeds. If you're looking for a classic, delicious lettuce that grows well both indoors and outdoors, and you appreciate the benefits of heirloom seeds, this is a fantastic choice. What people say. Great seed sprouted very well. Very fast growing and does good in cold weather. Grows better in cold weather. Taste great. I have harvested 7 crops from my hydroponics garden from these seeds and have plenty of seeds to continue to plant. Germination is in only 3 days. The quality of the lettuce is superb. Number 4. Gardener's Basics Heirloom Vegetable Seed Pack. Grow a delicious and healthy salad with our pack of 5 popular greens. It includes arugula, spinach, kale, buttercrunch lettuce, and romaine lettuce. Never forget what you planted where. This pack comes with 5 plant markers to help you organize your garden. Our heirloom seeds are protected in professional, water-resistant packets to prevent mold. Each packet contains planting and harvesting instructions. You'll receive more than double the seeds of our competitors, ensuring a bountiful harvest. That's over 5,000 seeds in total. Support local and choose quality. These seeds are proudly grown and produced in the USA, perfect for any gardening method. These are high-quality heirloom seeds, meaning you can save them for future planting. Provide food security for your family for years to come. What we like. This pack offers a great variety of 5 popular greens, including buttercrunch, romaine, arugula, kale, and spinach, perfect for diverse salads. The seeds come in professional, water-resistant packaging to prevent mold, and are proudly grown in the USA. If you want a mix of greens for your hydroponic system and appreciate high-quality, domestically sourced seeds with helpful planting markers, this is the pack for you. What people say. Using in a hydroponic system, the seeds began germinating in 1 day. All are growing well. All seeds did well as promised. Planted in October. And we were eating them early November. The butter lettuce is ready to eat and it has a very nice flavor. Number 3. Gardener's Basic Salad Greens Lettuce Seeds. Grow a delicious and diverse salad right in your own home. This pack includes 10 popular varieties of lettuce seeds, perfect for any garden. These are high-quality heirloom seeds, ensuring you can save them for future harvests. Enjoy fresh, homegrown vegetables and enhance your family's food security. Each packet comes with clear planting and harvesting instructions. Plus, we've included free plant markers to help you identify your crops. Our seeds are proudly grown in the USA and packaged in water-resistant, professional seed packets to prevent mold. Avoid the risk of inferior overseas seeds. Whether you're gardening indoors or outdoors, in hydroponics or aquaponics, these seeds are ideal. They are versatile and easy to grow in any setting. We are confident you'll love your seeds. If you're not completely satisfied for any reason, simply return them for a full refund. What we like. With 10 different varieties of greens and lettuce, this pack provides an incredible selection for any salad lover. It boasts a massive seed count, offering exceptional value, and is proudly grown in the USA. If you're a serious grower who wants the widest possible range of lettuce types and a huge quantity of seeds from a trusted source, this extensive pack is ideal. What people say. The seeds germinated quickly and produced healthy seedlings. These seeds are specifically bred for hydroponic systems, resulting in vigorous growth and excellent yields. The lettuce varieties included are well suited for continuous harvesting, providing a steady supply of fresh greens. Number 2. INBLOOM Organic Salad Green Seed Pod Kit. Introducing the INBLOOM Organic Salad Green Seed Pod Kit. Easily grow your own delicious, low-calorie salads right at home. Enjoy a variety of lettuces and cherry tomatoes with this convenient kit. This kit is designed to work with all major hydroponic systems, including AeroGarden, INBLOOM, and AHOPA. You can enjoy harvesting high-quality produce and endless growing fun, no matter your setup. We use only premium quality, non-GMO seeds to ensure your harvest is secure and safe. Experience the natural deliciousness of homegrown ingredients with peace of mind. This comprehensive kit includes everything you need: 4 types of seeds, grow baskets, sponges, domes, protective stickers, and plant food. We make growing simple and fun for everyone. With over 350 seeds, you can create endless combinations for your salads. Enjoy vibrant flavors and the satisfaction of harvesting your own fresh, healthy food. Your satisfaction is our priority. We offer excellent customer service to assist you on your gardening journey. Contact us with any questions about your hydroponic seed garden kit. What we like. This is a comprehensive kit designed for ease of use, including everything you need to start growing, like seed pods, grow baskets, sponges, and plant food. It's specifically designed for hydroponic systems like AeroGarden and others, featuring organic, non-GMO seeds. If you're new to hydroponics or want a convenient, all-in-one solution to grow fresh, low-calorie greens and even cherry tomatoes, this kit is perfect for you. What people say. These seeds are a great choice for hydroponic systems, producing healthy and vigorous plants. The germination rate is consistently high, ensuring a good start for your hydroponic garden. The lettuce varieties provided are well suited for hydroponic cultivation, offering excellent growth and flavor. Number 1. Raw Earth Colors Lettuce Mix Seeds. Introducing our premium heirloom lettuce seeds, perfect for your home garden. Whether you're planting outdoors or indoors, these seeds are a fantastic choice for fresh greens. Enjoy a delightful mix of romaine, buttercrunch, and gourmet leaf lettuces. This blend offers a variety of textures and flavors for the perfect salad. These non-GMO seeds are ideal for traditional vegetable gardens, hydroponic systems, or even pots and grow bags. Get creative with your planting. Our seeds are proudly grown, harvested, and packed right here in the USA. You can trust in the quality and care put into every packet. You're sure to love planting and harvesting your own fresh lettuce. Experience the joy of homegrown vegetables with ease. Brought to you by Raw Earth Colors, these seeds promise a rewarding gardening experience and delicious results. What we like. This pack offers a premium blend of heirloom lettuce seeds, including romaine, buttercrunch, and a gourmet mix of leaf lettuces like oakleaf and black-seeded Simpson, perfect for creating sophisticated salads. The seeds are non-GMO and grown, harvested, and packed in the USA. If you're looking for a high-quality, diverse mix of lettuces for your home garden, hydroponics, or even pots, and appreciate American-made seeds, this blend is an excellent choice. What people say. They sprouted and grew very quickly, and it is great to have fresh leaves for sandwiches and salads. Spring plantings germinated quickly and tasted great. The fall planted seeds from the same packets already growing. It grows pretty fast, so I just cut and come again to add it to other leafy greens to make a nice salad, and it keeps growing. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.